we're going to be making stuffed jack-o'-lanterns. So for our little jack-o'-lanterns, I'm going to be using orange bell peppers. So when you pick out your bell peppers, make sure that they have 4 feet and a nice little green top here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and carve the top off of this and then go ahead and trace a little jack-o'-lantern face. So let's go ahead and do that. So now that I have my children all ready here, I'm just going to give them some love by rubbing them with some olive oil and then putting them in the oven. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. A baking dish, and I have the oven preheated to 350. We're just going to go ahead and roast them for about 10 minutes. Oh, you need to find your partners, your lids. Oh, no, Josiah. What did I do? So while your jack-o'-lanterns are in the oven, go ahead and cut up an onion and about 4 cloves of garlic. We're gonna start by cooking our sausage legs. So I have here about 5 sausages. This is just mild Italian. And so go ahead and make sure that your pan is hot. And I'm just going to add a little bit of oil, not too much because the sausage has a lot of fat in it already. So just mix that up a little bit. And then add in that sausage. Alright, so it's browned up a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and add in the onions. Jack-o'-lanterns. Oh, it smells like deliciousness. Oh. Oh. Alright, so now that the onions are pretty much almost there, pretty translucent, I'm going to add in the garlic. Smells great. Oh. Alright, so now cooked together. Now I'm just gonna add 1 can of tomato paste. Do this fast, do this fast, do this fast. Always get excited. Looking good. I'm just gonna add in some couscous. And for this, you kind of just eyeball it. So I'm gonna put in about that much. I would say more or less like a cup or so. Now, I'm just going to add, I'm gonna get some chicken stock, mix it up a little bit, and you're gonna add the whole thing. I'm gonna add a bay leaf or 2. Looking pretty good. The couscous has absorbed all of the chicken broth, so it looks ready to me. So let me just go ahead and try a little bit. Just make sure that it's seasoned well and that the couscous is cooked. So. Perfect. That's so good. Alright, let's turn off the stove and take out the bay leaves. Alright, so everything is looking good. Our jack-o'-lanterns have baked in the oven for about 10 minutes. I've grated some pepper jack cheese, and so I'm just ready to add our filling into our little friends. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, that is done. And now we're just gonna top it off with a lot of grated cheese. Right. Make sure we got the cheese away from their faces. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back in the oven until the top is nice golden, bubbly, and brown. For watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Happy Halloween.